erase the lines your hands once carved in stone. The lock reflects a sky you used to know. In every ridge still hums your name below. No map could show the path your silence took, but here the wind remembers how you spoke. I rise not to escape, but to return to skies your dreams once dared to occupy. Through castle walls where echoes softly burn, I find the shape of who we're meant to be. If time forgets the vows the land has sworn, let my wings relearn the songs you left unborn. Below the glen unfolds like pages turned by hands now dust beneath the standing rain. Yet in the hush between the thunder's call, I hear your courage rising through it all. Not gone, just woven in the eagle's cry, a thread of will that never learned to die. I rise not to escape, but to return to skies your dreams once dared to occupy. Through castle walls where echoes softly burn, I find the shape of who we're meant to be. If time forgets the vows the land has sworn, let my wings relearn the songs you left unborn. You didn't vanish, you became the air that lived beneath this quiet metal bird. Your longing shaped the clouds I glide through there. Your patience taught the mountains how to wait. And when I hover over ancient ground, it's not the drone that hears, you're listening now. And the sound is often born. Arms that laugh to birth the fleeting sleep. Further close, my heaven faking. Kisses were house might see. Lift and drove mouth before. Loving thing, yeah, fell your right. To the sun and set the night ring. Your wood history set free. If night should try to swallow up the dawn, I'll stitch the light back in with every song. Ooh.